Crypto's down, but why am I not worried? Well, let's talk about it in this video. There's been a big correction in the market. We're down to about 2.36 trillion. Bitcoin hovering around 65k, but altcoins are getting absolutely obliterated. Let's break down a couple of the key fundamentals in this video. If you're interested in all this kind of stuff, just keep it up to date with all cryptocurrency. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. You may think this is a different setup than normal. That's right, we're coming at you in a sneaky little holiday. But I couldn't wait to give you an update on exactly what's going on. And I guess, look, people are going to be really nervous. People are going to be calling that the bull market's happened, that we've missed it. Well, look, I'm about to just ease those concerns. And let me take you through a couple of reasons as to why that is. As always, hit that like and subscribe button. Let's get into it. So for the first time in a while, we have actually seen significant outflows from those Bitcoin ETF products, as well as many, many others. So this has kind of been around $400 million that have come out of those ETF flows. Now, here's what's crazy though, is that we're actually seeing people move away from risk assets all before we actually see these ETFs for Ethereum and many other bullish catalysts that are going to be coming pretty soon. Now, here's the crazy part of it all, is that whenever we see these big market sell-offs, you better believe people are buying. And we actually talked about this previously on my live stream where we saw huge selling, but $1.8 billion worth of Bitcoin being bought on the back of it. So these two main reasons that we're seeing right now from these outflows. Bitcoin products, people are moving out of those assets, driven hugely by the market sentiment around the interest rates. Everyone expected 2 interest rate cuts. Certainly in the US, that is simply not going to happen. We expect 1. Now, the big question is when? When does the Fed truly cut interest rates? They're going to have to soon. Don't forget, $4.3 trillion, I think it is, that the US has on its debt books is going to cost a significant amount of money. So where you've got this inflation expectation that's not coming down, people are moving out of risk assets. We're seeing CME open interest, so people are even looking to get positions within this. But $400 million flowing out of liquidations over the last sort of 24 hours. Equally, people flowing out of those ETF products for Bitcoin, which we haven't seen since, well, a good month or so ago. Hovering around 65k. Look, here's the reality. Your altcoins are getting obliterated as people start to make positions. When we look at something like Bitcoin dropping down below 64, 65k, people are looking to grab that bit. Now, we've talked a lot on this channel, ultimately getting ready for this bull market, which is, what do you deem as expensive? A lot of people may class 60,000 expensive. Some people may even say 70,000 is expensive when you start talking about Bitcoin. Look, here's the thing. People are grabbing the dip. And if you think they're not, unfortunately, you're sadly mistaken, whether that be institutions, whether that be even those offering exchange products, people are absolutely grabbing the opportunity they have. We also continue to see this narrative that Donald Trump's flipped on crypto. We obviously see that political side of things when it comes to the US markets. But if we take you through a couple of interesting bits, and I do want to reference this when it comes to altcoins, and equally if you're sat there thinking, man, I should have got out. Let me tell you, futures volume is now up 64%, around $179 billion in the last 24 hours. Fear and Greed Index sitting at 79. And Binance balances on exchange, Bitcoin on exchange, 2.48 million. It's actually got even lower. So many people that may think the market is absolutely taking them for a ride, people are scooping Bitcoin up off the exchanges. Fear and Greed, like I said, at 74 is still a pretty strong permanent. And options open interest now sitting at $28.97 billion. So they're just some key fundamentals to understand what is going on in the market. Remember, we haven't had a 40% correction. It's a bull run of 2021. We had a 40%, I think it was, maybe even 42% correction before we actually saw the market truly ignite on the back of it. So everybody that's calling the bull market tops bean, you're wrong. For everybody that thinks the Bitcoin push is over, you're wrong. The pull multiplier that we look at on the live stream is a key indicator, but everything that I'm looking at right now, for me, is giving me opportunities to get back in the market. Would I be in some risk assets on DeFi right now? Maybe not, because the price is probably going to go down a little bit, but certainly Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, we still wait for that settlement. Casper just dropped below 14. Great opportunity to pick that project up as that's about to explode, as well as Jasmine and many, many others. So there is lots of reasons to be super bullish on the market. Yes, short-term price may feel hard work. Long-term goal though, we're still looking back in 2024, early 2025. For a significant run in the market. But let me know, what are you doing? Are you concerned with this market? Are you looking at short-term price actions? Or are you like me, sat, chilling, looking to pick up some more cryptocurrency? As ever, everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm trying to get these out as and when I can in holiday. But look, I appreciate you guys. We're back Saturday night. We'll be live over on YouTube. So hit me up and we'll see you very soon. Take care, everybody. See you soon.